Bitcoin just ripped past $69,000. In the last 24 hours alone, the price jumped over 4%. And it's not slowing down. On Monday morning, Bitcoin opened at nearly $69,000. Up 2.5% from Sunday. The entire crypto market is waking up. Ethereum is climbing. Altcoins are pumping. And it's all tied to one thing. War. Or more specifically, the possibility that the war might end. Here's what triggered this rally. Reports broke that Iran and the United States have received a ceasefire proposal from mediators. The deal involves a 45-day pause to the fighting. And the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz. That strait is the most important oil choke point on Earth. 20% of the world's oil flows through it. When Iran closed it, oil prices skyrocketed, markets panicked, and risk assets like Bitcoin crashed. Now the opposite is happening. The mere possibility of peace is sending Bitcoin flying. But let's zoom out. Bitcoin is actually down about $9,000 from where it was a year ago. Last April it was trading near $78,000. The war, the tariff chaos, and global uncertainty dragged it down for months. What we're seeing now could be the start of a massive recovery. Analysts are predicting Bitcoin could hit $72,000 by April 10 if it holds above the 67.5 support zone. That's a 5 to 7% move in just days. And if a ceasefire actually happens? Some traders are calling for a run straight to 100,000. But there's a catch. And his name is Donald Trump. Trump just set a deadline for Iran. Reopen the Strait of Hormuz by Tuesday night, or he'll bomb their power plants and bridges into dust. Iran rejected the ultimatum. They want sanctions lifted, war damage compensated, and a full peace deal. Trump called their proposal significant but not good enough. If negotiations collapse and Trump follows through on his threats, Bitcoin could crash just as fast as it surged. This is the most volatile moment for crypto in months. So where does Bitcoin go from here? There are two scenarios. Scenario 1. A ceasefire deal gets done. Oil flows again. Markets rally. Bitcoin breaks through 72,000, then 80, then the path to 100,000 opens up. Institutional money floods back in. Scenario 2. The deadline passes. Bombs drop. The strait stays closed. Oil hits $200 a barrel. And Bitcoin dumps back below 60,000. The truth is, nobody knows which way this goes. But one thing is certain. The next 48 hours will define Bitcoin's trajectory for the rest of 2026. If you're in crypto right now, buckle up. This is the moment.
If you made it this far, you already know. Subscribe, hit that like, let's go.